YouTube, what's poppin', man? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick for Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Look, beachfront, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. Still out here gonna keep y'all linked in the forum. I hit the Nike outlet. We're gonna hop right into this video. Yo, check y'all coupons. Make sure y'all got it. It's 30% off. The sales end Memorial Day weekend. Look, happy Memorial Day too. Let's get right into this video, man. I'm gonna get ready to it. Rogers. 30% off sale. Check y'all Nike store. 99, 30% off. You got the Air Money pack, the gold pack, 79, 30% off. Actually, that ain't bad. Air Force One, 109, 30% off. Air Force. These phone posits. 109, 30% off. Pretty much it. They got full size run pretty much in everything. That's why I'm not showing y'all up and down. Know what's going on. It's good, man. 30% off. 79. I'm gonna hit this hash wall and see what they got. If I get something, we're gonna get back and unbox it. I'll show y'all what I get if I get something. It's looking real scarce right now. Air Max 30% off. Max. Air Max 119, 30% off, full size run. I would say, yeah, they do. They got 7.5, 8s, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me hit the other corner. 74, 30% off. Tech trainer. They're good, fam. 30% off the whole store, 30% off pretty much. Let's see what's going on. 49, 30% off. 44. I know I say I can speed it up, slow it down. Don't matter to the kids. We got the 270s on there. I seen them so much at the pop-up. It's good, fam. Jersey go hard, fam. And the braids. And they got the braids on there. Y'all don't know, we gave that pet away on our channel. Y'all link in. 270 utilities. 30% off. Pretty much. I'm gonna hit a couple more off. We're gonna get ready to it. I had to come over here for the ladies real quick. The trainer shoes, 30% off. So definitely full size run. You good, Sarah? You good. Definitely a full size run. $84, 30% off. So like I say, y'all speed it up, slow it down. That run. See what I'm saying? My full size run now. I don't want to keep going up and down, but I promise y'all it's a full size run. This is all for the ladies. Probably gonna end up snatching out some merch. Alright, man. I'm swifting through this thing, man. I'm not speeding y'all up just to get it over. They just ain't got nothing in here, and I want to keep showing the same stuff. So it's 30% off. That's how y'all do the math right here. Just to let y'all know. I'm at the kids' wall now. Well, actually, the women's. Finna head to the kids' wall. This the hash wall. I need to ask them if it's 30% off plus 20. We're gonna find out before we leave this thing. So it's the entire wall 30. Hey, man. Is it 20% off on top of on the hash wall?
Nah, every shoe's up to off.
Okay, every shoe 30% off. So the hash wall a little bit different. So it's 30% off the entire store. It's good, man.
27.
They got here for the kids, man. I might snatch one of these up for the next kids giveaway. Y'all stay tuned when I get back. I'm gonna snatch a pair up for the kids giveaway. Pretty much the same. All right, Retro family. Look, we're back here, back at the room, the resort. The kids called me. I got to get outside. I'm gonna keep y'all linked in the forum. This is what your boy snatched up. I did snatch up something from Nike. Let me just get into it real quick. We're gonna put these on ASAP. Your boy finna wait the dead. These retail for 45. The sale they had for 25. You know, they had that, like I said, a 30% off sale at Nike. Gotta make sure y'all link in. Let's open these up real quick, family. Let's see what we got. Some little flip flops out here. Thought they was decent, especially for the price point. Got the little, like this little lime green jelly, kind of like the PlayStations again. Green, my favorite color, so I had to get it. Might put it on with this. Go out here with the kids. Might put on something else. Had to snatch that up. What else we got? I snatched up some merch too as well. I thought this was dope. They had a Jordan shirt in there. I'm gonna check the receipt in a minute. Let you know what it retail for. But they're classic. With that 23 on the back. Come on, man. Quality product inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Y'all see that? I thought it was a little dope, little wife beater, tank top. Let me see what else we got, gang. All right, hold on 1 second. Forgive me. We're going to get into this right here. I snatched up some more merch. Actually, they got this off the mannequin in there. They actually got these off the mannequin. Shout out to the ladies out there, man. It was the last pair. I got this off the mannequin. Some Nike shorts. Thought these was dope, all white. 30% off, man. Like, a lot of this stuff was like $30 plus 30% off. You can't beat it. What else I snatched up? Got these blue ones. My wife picked this out for me. Nice, nice. These are dope. Especially, like I say, for the price point. Y'all use that 30% off now. You don't even need a coupon. The whole store 30% off. What else we snatched up there? Just Do It. Everything popping. What does retail for? $20 plus 30% off. Tank top, Just Do It. Another one. Now you know your boy had to get some shoes, right? I hopped on the road. I got up here late last night, so I had to snatch these up, man. These are Nike React Elements, man. They retail for $130. I ended up getting them with $60 with the sale they had, man. I actually like this colorway, man. The Element. I got a pair of the Elements, them Jordan React Elements. They did that collab with the Jordan 1, so I got this right here. My wife picked out this pair for me too as well as the gold. I was gonna go with the black pair. I'm kind of glad I went with this. You know, this popping color here. That's that Element. Let me bring out the other shoe. Dope. They're very comfortable. I'm telling you that right now. I got a pair with the Jordan collab. I've been trying these on. I've been waiting for the price to drop. The price finally dropped, so your boy hopped on it right away. Hey, look, man. Real quick side note, man. What else we get? Oh, that's right. I went to Polo. We went to RalphLauren.com too. I'm not .com. We went to the Polo outlet out there in the store. So I snatched this hat up. And y'all forgive me. I'm rambling. I don't even know where the bag is. Let me see if I can find the bag. Y'all forgive me, fam. Oh, I found the bag. Man, the bag was right here. I'm trying to get outside. Y'all forgive me. So look, y'all see the hat, right? Yeah, I did. Got the shorts to match everything. Now this is a reversible bucket hat. So you got the the bucket hat reversible. You can go with goes with these shorts. Now y'all see the whole. These was like end up being 20. Let me see real quick the receipts in the bag. My wife had a coupon was she had a 30% off coupon. These was originally $69. Promo they had them for $35, and we got 30% off to come up to $24. You know, with tax it was like $26 and some change, 46, 26, 46. So you always got to wait, man. I try to catch these sales and deals. That's why your boy keep hitting these outlets, as well as I hit these outlets so I can, have money to keep giving back. Like we be doing. Like I said, this is the official Give Back channel. On that note, man, I was in that thing recording, not playing and scripted. He gonna tell you that. Shout out to my boy Mike Rich, man. I met Mike Rich, his lovely wife, his daughter. Man, I'm finishing up my video. I look down, I'm like, I got some heat on the feet right there. I look up, man, come on, really? No cap. My boy was in the building. Look, support my boy, get my boy up to 300K. But you know what your boy say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Hey, look, tell a friend and tell a friend. Y'all gonna sub up. Stop sleeping on me and Matter. We're gonna keep giving back. Keeping y'all linked in the form. That's what we here for. Look, whole lot of gang. We ain't out here hurting nobody. We love y'all.